be showing you how to use some environmental probes to collect some data. This is an interface device that allows you to plug in different measuring instruments to record data in one place. There are 3 different probes. We have the conductivity probe, which measures salinity or the salt content of a solution. We have a temperature probe that measures the temperature, and we have the pH probe, which measures how basic or acidic something is, which is what we're going to be talking about today. I'm sure you have all used different measuring devices, such as a thermometer or a balance or maybe even a ruler. Well, this device allows you to measure all kinds of different things, but keep all your data in one place. So to turn on the device, you simply press this button here at the top, and it'll come to this screen here. And there are 3 different functions you're going to need to understand. So this right here is the meter function, which is a live data collecting function. So you'll be able to see all your data coming in live here when I plug in the probe. Then we have the graph function. You'll be able to see all your data points coming in a graph form. And then we have the table, and you'll see it in table form. So once you plug the probe in to your device, and I'll show you this right here, down at the bottom to get the probe out, you're going to unscrew here, and this releases the stopper and helps the probe just slide right out. Make sure you unscrew it first before you pull it out, because you may break the device. It's fragile. And then you just screw it back down. I'm going to plug the device in right here. And it's probably going to already start collecting the pH. You'll be able to see that here. Now, for this experiment, we're going to change the duration from 120 seconds to 60 seconds. And you just type in 60. We're going to change the interval to 1. So you see 1 and 60. That means that you're going to have 1 sample taken every second, meaning we're going to have 60 samples taken from this. So for this experiment, I have 3 different solutions. I have a plain water solution, I have a vinegar solution, and I have a baking soda mixture. So I'm sure you guys have all used litmus paper before, and I'm just going to show you guys visually how to determine whether something is acidic or basic. So we have just the plain water. You see nothing's happening. And then we'll do the basic. Turns blue, right? And then we're going to do the vinegar. That turns red. You can't really see it. Now, these visually show you how acidic or basic something is, but this is going to show you numerically what the pH is. So, first we're going to start with the neutral. I set the device in the water gently, then we're going to press play, and your data collection will start. Now, you see here that there is a dramatic jump in the data being collected. You can also trim this down and pick where you actually want your data to collect. And you can keep it like that. Now, we're going to go back. We're going to do the basic solution. Now, for this, it says you're going to get this message. It says, do you want to overwrite the latest run? And you say store, because you're going to want to compare the 3. So now it's collecting. We're going to put it in the basic solution. And you see it jump up there. And you can watch it come in live there. Or in table form. And it's being compared to the first run, you can see. It's pretty neat. Great. So now that the data is done collecting, you see here that big jump. We're going to do the one that seems to remain constant so it doesn't mess with our average. So then we're going to wipe this probe off. And then we're going to place it in the acidic solution and see how it changes. Once again, you're going to get the same message and you're going to press store. Now there are other experiments where you may want to change your duration to a longer or a shorter period of time depending on what you're measuring. If you want to measure the pH of a river throughout an entire day, then you change the duration. But since we're only doing this short experiment, we're going to do it for 60 seconds. Ooh. Now, we have an outlier, so chop that off there. Then we're going to go up here to run. We're going to look at all runs. You can see there is our average for all three. And they're significantly different, as you would expect. So, there is the demo on how to use the pH probe. And remember that when you return the probe to its storage solution, I want to rinse it off first. Just twist it back on there like that. It'll stay shut. Alright. And that's how to use the pH probe.